Hi students, I Miss Sheetal Deshpande here for class 5th Social from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Today we will continue with the same concept, your right, my right, human rights. In that, as you know, we have a concept, human rights and human rights organizations. Let's see the detail about human rights. The rights which are the same for all people all over the world are called human rights. Yes students, you are listening very correct. The rights which are the same for all people all over the world are called human rights. To get it more clear, I shared here the image of world map, and above the world map we have here the human rights symbol. What it shows, the people who are living in a world, they will get the same human rights. Let's see the detail about human rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a document written by representatives with different legal and cultural backgrounds. It was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10th December 1948. Yes students, you see there is an image which shows the General Assembly which was held in Paris. The all over world people are gathered there to confirm the human rights, and the second image what it shows, the Declaration of Human Rights. Let's see the detail about 10th December. 10th December is celebrated as International Human Rights Day. These human rights state that every person has the same human rights regardless of his, her religion, race, caste or gender. There are 30 basic human rights. As you know, in General Assembly there are 30 basic human rights were declared. Our constitution has considered some only as a basic human rights. Which are those? Let's see. Each person is born free. Everyone has equal right and dignity. This is our first human right given by our constitution. By seeing the images also it may more clear to you. See in first image what it shows, the different color hands has given. It means what exactly? In whole world many colored people are living, but all are getting same equal right. Second image what it shows, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Third image what it shows, a very innocent faces are there and they may also get the same human rights in future. Second human right which is given by our constitution is that no one can be treated with cruelty. By seeing this image you can understand how the people earlier they were treating very cruelty. But as we have a part of free country, as we have our own constitution and our human rights are secured, so no one can be treated with cruelty. Next we have here, no one can be made a slave. See, by seeing these images you can get the idea that how the British ruler, Mughal ruler, they were trying to make the India slave. But as we are the part of free country, no one can be made a slave. Next, most important right we need to think here about what? The equal pay for equal work. Yes, everyone has the right to work and to choose a suitable type of work. Each worker has the right to equal pay for equal work. By seeing these images also you can understand that how is it important. First image what it shows, it is a symbol of equal pay for equal work. Second image what it shows, in our society two parts are most important, male gender and female gender. The both may get the equal pay for equal work. And the third image what it shows, earlier there was too much difference in a pay scale, but now it has reduced. And what is our goal? That it should be complete reduce. Now next, the most important right related to the student. Yes students, it is related to you only. What is it? Everyone has the right to education. I shared here some images of a different communities students. But what it shows, that everyone has the right to education because of our constitution only. In this way today we discuss the all basic human rights given by our constitution. Next part of it we will continue in tomorrow's class. Thank very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.